Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to find Wi-Fi password on Windows 10. First of all, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. Now over here you can see I'm here in my Windows. Now I'll go to this start and over here search for control panel. And now click on this control panel. And now you can find this network and internet. Click on this view network status and task, and over here you can find your connected Wi-Fi network. In my case it's speed. Now to view password, click on this blue link of Wi-Fi name over here, and over here go to this wireless properties. Now after that you'll find this interface. Go to this security, and now here is network security key. That means it's our password. Now to view this password, click on this show characters. And you can see this is our network's Wi-Fi password. So in this way we can find Wi-Fi password on Windows 10. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.